1. Maintain eye contact. Whenever speaking to a crowd or one-to-one, maintaining eye contact builds credibility and demonstrates you care about your listeners. In my opinion, it's a huge mistake to consider communication skills something soft. Soft skills are essential skills, meaning you can take it with you and you can value it at any time in any context, life or business. If you want to improve in your life, make communication a priority. Here's what to start with. 1. Simplify and stay on message. Use simple, straightforward language. 2. Engage. Draw your listeners and the readers into the conversation. Ask questions and invite opinions. Solicit their feedback. 3. Take time to respond. After you have listened and understood, take time to draft in your head what you want to say. 4. Make sure you are understood. Don't blame the other person for not understanding. Instead, look for ways to clarify or rephrase what you are trying to say so it can be understood. 5. Develop your listening skills too. The best communicators are almost always the best listeners. Listen without judgment and don't be distracted by thinking about what you want to say next. Then respond, not react. 6. Body language is important. Studies show that 65% of all communication is nonverbal. In fact, it's about the emotions we transmit through nonverbal language. The emotions, remember. I will talk about this in a different video, so watch for visual signs that your listener understands, agrees or disagrees with your message, and be aware that your body is sending signals too. 7. Maintain eye contact. Whenever speaking to a crowd or one-to-one, maintaining eye contact builds credibility and demonstrates you care about your listeners. And a bonus tips: respect your audience. Recognize your message is not just about you or what you want. You should sincerely care about the needs and the unique perspectives of those whom you are communicating. With strong communication skills, you master the art of having difficult conversation, make your ideas hard, negotiate a salary, increase or promote your skills fully, and make a strong impression on everyone you meet. Knowledge is important. It helps you to know, to understand that you having opinions, to think more deeply, to guide others, to influence them. Exposure is more important. It helps you find out about yourself, who you are, what you want, where you want to go. So, practice, practice, practice. Interpersonal skills are the skills we use every day when we communicate and interact with other people. It includes a wide range of skills, but particularly communication skills such as listening, effective speaking, and the ability to control and manage your emotions. It is not an exaggeration to say that interpersonal skills are the foundation for success in life. Our ability to interact with others can be broken by the goal we have in mind for our interaction. How can we mentally structure a conversation in our minds when time is the essence? Here's some tips. First, stay on the message. Be clear exactly what ideas you are trying to express or the message you are trying to convey to the other person or group. What do you most want them to understand? 2. Make it a two-way conversation. Try to really hear and understand where others are coming from. What are they trying to say? What messages are they trying to get across to you? Ask yourself, do I really understand them? Pay special attention not just to what they are saying, but to what isn't being said. And then adjust your communication. 3. Making sense of it all. Always ask yourself, does what I'm saying make sense? Does the feedback I'm receiving make sense? What is the perspective they are trying to get across? Does it make sense that they have this perspective? When both parties in the conversation are truly able to say they understand or that it makes sense, clear and effective communication has been achieved. And a bonus tips. Respect your audience as you respect yourself. To be a clear and effective communicator, you must first recognize that your message is not just about you or what you want. It's about what in it for the audience. When you speak with determination, it shows you are in control of what you are saying. Communication is the art and the process of creating and sharing ideas. Effective communication depends on richness of those ideas. Advanced communication skills take the basic skills of communication and frame them within a general understanding of how communication process works. When you understand all of the elements involved when people communicate, you can learn to influence not only your own communication but the communication of others. This is why advanced communication skills are in essence leadership skills. It allows you access to ways, guide and direct communication between yourself and a group so that you can achieve your goals and outcomes. Having advanced communication skills in the workplace is all about being able to convey information to people clearly and simply in a way that means things are understood and get done. It's about transmitting and receiving messages clearly and being able to read your audience. For a leader, the most desirable traits are honesty, integrity, teamwork skills, strong work ethic, analytical skills, critical thinking, flexibility, adaptability, interpersonal skill, motivation, initiative. So, communication skills are listed as the most important quality. All listed skills mean behavioral traits that we value in certain context. In one word, is how we behave. And every behavior, whatever you do and how you do it, means communication. So communication is the art of and process of creating and sharing ideas. Effective communication depends of richness of those ideas. Simply like that.